Little boomer to control. I need more ammunition. Repeat, I need more ammunition. Okay, Boomer.
Okay, Boomer.
You ready to blow some stuff up?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know why I keep doing that. Okay, Boomers, we're out at the river park again. Jody, looks like we got ourselves a little mortar shell display going on here. What we got?
We do. We've got some shells that we've been using for testing, and we used some of them in our New Year's Eve display. And I thought we should probably do a demo on just those shell kits before we, before we still had some.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So it looks like 3 different kits here, huh?
3 different kits. Real simple. We've got the Sonic, the 5-inch Sonic by Fox Fireworks, and those all have a whistling tail. That's the thing about the Sonics, is they all have that whistling tail on them.
That's where it gets its name.
Yeah.
It does that whistle, all right?
Yeah. And then you've got the, from Pyro Junkie, the neon edition, the Pyro Shell neon edition.
Okay.
From Pyro Junkie.
So bright colors on those neons.
Yeah, I think so. I think they've been pretty good. And then we've got the Reapers from American HD.
Reapers from American HD, and the neons and the Reapers, those are 4-inch, and then the Sonic's 5-inch, correct?
Yes.
Gotcha.
Yes, and all 3 of these kits are very affordable kits. We got
not on the super high end of cost, is what we're saying.
Yeah, these are very affordable kits. We got these at Boomland. We got the Sonics and the Reapers for $60 a kit, a 24 pack.
24 pack,
And then the Pyro Junkie were 70.
Okay. Same. Also Boomland.
Yeah, Boomland. Yeah,
okay.
yeah. And then we got our rack, our 18-shot adjustable rack that we got from Pyro Boom.
Here's the big dog. Of course, there's bigger dogs, but this is the big dog as far as our kit goes.
Yeah.
All right, and looks like little Boomer's found his little perch up there. He's ready to fire.
Excuse me.
All right, what else we got?
That's it, man.
Man, the sun will be down here in a little bit, and we'll shoot some shells.
Won't be long.
Right on. Hang in there, Boomers.
Okay, Boomers. Here we go with 6 of the Reaper shells by American HD. Yeah, those pack a little bit of a punch there, especially at their price point. We got those for $60 for a 24 pack. Next up, these are going to be the Pyro Junkie neon. These are going to be the Pyro Junkie neon edition. All right, Pyro Junkie Neon Edition. Well, Pyro Junkie Pyro Shells Neon Edition. Let me correct myself there. And last but not least, these are going to be the Sonics by Fox Fireworks. These are all going to have whistling tails. Okay, big difference between those and the first 2. Look at that drip. That's amazing. Well, that's all for now, Boomers. Hope you enjoyed that little comparison slash demo of 3 shells that we've been using here for testing and for various things that we've been using them here for. So until next time, we'll see you then. Cut.